Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, because Audi has just unleashed something that could flip the entire sports car world upside down. This isn't just another shiny prototype to park on a turntable at an auto show. No, this is the Audi Concept C, a car so jaw-dropping, so radically different, it might just be the rebirth of the legendary TT. And trust me, this thing isn't whispering the future of Audi, it's screaming it. The Concept C isn't just one car, it's two worlds colliding. On the surface, it's a drop-dead gorgeous two-door coupe that transforms into a folding hardtop roadster. But underneath, it's a crystal ball, showing us exactly how every new Audi will look in the years to come. From the hands of Audi's new design boss Massimo Frisella, this machine is a glimpse of the brand's next decade. And if the rumors are true, it's sharing DNA with the electric Porsche Boxster and Cayman coming in 2027. And here's the kicker, this isn't some fantasy spaceship on wheels. Look closer. You've got door mirrors, real tires, wipers, even a license plate cutout. Those are the boring details that automakers never waste time on unless they're dead serious about putting it into production. Audi isn't playing games here. This car is coming. Up front, the Concept C throws tradition out the window. A shrunken vertical grille inspired by legends like the 1936 Auto Union Racer. Quad-element headlights that flash Audi's obsession with the number 4. 4 rings, 4 wheels, 4 blazing LEDs staring you down. Some say it even hints at Bugatti. And at the rear, minimalist perfection. No fake exhausts, no gimmicks, no nonsense. Just pure, clean aggression. Step inside and it's a revolution. Forget the giant tablets glued to dashboards, forget haptic nonsense. This interior is Audi at its boldest, a real circular steering wheel. Solid aluminum switchgear that clicks with authority. Knurled knobs more beautiful than the controls in a $1 million hypercar. And the details? Air vents in groups of 4. 4 buttons on the console. Wool seats that breathe, pumping air right through the fabric. So good, they don't even need speaker grills. Your music literally flows through the weave. This isn't just design, it's witchcraft. The whole shape screams mid-engine, and while Audi isn't spilling secrets, all signs point to a mid-battery EV layout, just like Porsche's upcoming Boxster and Cayman in 2027. But imagine, just imagine if Audi dropped a 400 horsepower turbo 5-cylinder back there. That sound, that fury, it would be chaos. But here's the truth, whether it's powered by electrons or gasoline, this car is a turning point. For Porsche, building an electric sports car is a crisis. For Audi, it's destiny. The Concept C could make the brand relevant again as a true sports car leader, just like the TT and R8 once did. Will it wear the TT badge when it hits the streets in 2027? Audi hasn't said, but here's what I'll say. If they don't call it the new TT, they're out of their minds. Because this car has the power to bring Audi roaring back to the top. The only question is, are we ready for it?